Okay, so what we have here is the new Jet Motors bolt-on turbo kit for the Classic Mini and the Classic Mini Cooper. And this shows the versatility and the compatibility with any of the Classic Minis, because this was half a SPI and half an MPI. This was a weird model year for the JDM market. It was right-hand drive with air conditioning. We deleted the AC, removed the brake booster, and fit our turbo kit. We also used the specialist components, which you can too, EFI throttle body, electronic fuel injection with throttle body. So now via the laptop and the Delta 400 computer, we can control the ignition timing and we can control the fuel. And it's unbelievable. I can't wait to take you guys for a ride in this thing and show you what it can really do. So let's go do it. All right, here we go for a ride in the new Jet Motors turbo kit for the Classic Mini, with the optional specialist components, EFI, electronic fuel injection, throttle body. And oh man, this is the first fuel injected one we've done, and I am over the moon happy. The power and torque in this thing is mind-blowing. It's hard to keep the wheels from spinning. They just are doing everything they can to bite and grab and grip for traction, because this thing is making a lot of horsepower. I can't wait to get it on the dyno. I know for a fact it's got to be well over 100 horsepower at the wheels. It is really dialed. So let me watch this. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Oh, that's uphill, you guys. Oh man, and it's dry out. It's not wet, and these are sticky new tires. So, I mean, this thing. All right, it's doing everything I asked it to do plus more. So, this was an interesting build because this was right-hand drive with brake booster, half MPI, half SPI, with air conditioning. And as you can see, we deleted the air conditioning, we deleted the brake booster. You don't need the brake booster. You know, Minis were built for decades before brake boosters. So we're using a traditional master cylinder with no booster. And the brakes are outstanding. Watch. Ta-da! Ta-da! It's awesome. So anyway, we wanted to see the compatibility and the ease of putting our turbo kit on an MPI or SPI, and of course the traditional Mini, which we can do. We've done it on an 850 Moke, we did it on a 998 Woody Wagon, and now we've done it on a 1300A Plus MPI SPI hybrid. So here, let's play turbo. Wow, this thing is capable. Oh man, you guys got to get your own turbo kit. This really is the answer to the A-Series motor. If you didn't want to spend a ridiculous fortune building a engine swap Mini, put an inexpensive Jet Motors turbo on it, because it's got plenty of power. Trust me, I am not flooring it, you guys. I swear I'm only stepping on the throttle that much. When I floor it, it just lights up the tires. It just smokes them in any gear. It's insane. So, man, I love it. I love this new kit. The second question you guys all ask me is how much? The kit is $29.95. That's $3,000, okay? Now you get to choose whether you want a blow-through carburetor setup or do you want to do the electronic fuel injection throttle body. All said and done, the blow-through carb with electronic ignition is $5,400, all right? And that includes the fuel pump and the regulator. And we're going to teach you guys how to run a T prior to the fuel filter and fuel pump, so you don't have to remove your gas tank. I'm sorry, every time that it boosts, it puts you in the seat so hard, it tickles.
Tickles.
All right, back to my train of thought. Okay, so $5,400 gets you your intake system, your electronic distributor, your fuel pump, your fuel pressure regulator, and the turbo kit, all right? And that's for a traditional Mini. Now, you can also go to the specialist components, throttle body, which we are going to stock, and we're gonna package everything up in a kit form for you. Hang on, I love this part of the test drive because this is a really steep hill, and now I'm just gonna barely step on the throttle. I'm gonna make a little boost, but watch this. Jeez. Wow! That's insane! Oh, I love this thing. You guys will too, so. Okay, I was trying to tell you, it's $3,495, so it's $3,500 for the specialist components, fuel injection throttle body kit, on top of the $3,000 for the Jet Motors turbo kit. Okay, so that is $6,500, and that gets you everything you need to bolt your turbo kit on your Mini too. So we are making these parts optional so that you can buy just what you want or what you need, but we also have the full kits available for you too. So this is the beginning of April. We are still waiting for a few more of the components. We've run into some manufacturing delays, but they are on their way, and you will be getting your kit soon. So if you haven't placed a pre-order for $100 on our website, go do it right now, because if you don't, you're not going to get one. And I mean that sincerely. So we are going to sell out, and you got to go get one. So go to jetmotorsmini.com. Go to the turbo pre-order page, put your $100 in. It is fully refundable should you choose to go a different direction, but at least you're in line and you will get one. So I hope you guys enjoy your turbo as much as I have been in all of these cars, because it's awesome. All right, we'll see you on the next one.